One thing you'll need to prepare your taxes is your W-2 wage and tax statement from your employer. You may have more than one statement depending on how many jobs you had during the year, but you should have a W-2 from each employer, and it should be for the full year for all of the time that you were employed. The forms will start with your Social Security number. You should double check to make sure that's listed correctly. And if it's not, you need to contact your employer and get that corrected. It should have your correct name and address, and it's going to list your employer name. And the first thing that we'll be working with is box number 1, which is your total wages from that particular employer, and box number 2, the federal income tax withheld by that employer. One thing when you're working with the W-2, when you're doing your federal tax return, make sure that you get the correct copy of the W-2. You will generally have more than one copy when your employer distributes that, but you want to make sure you pull the correct federal tax return copy.